Connect the device to Wi-Fi before registration. Then follow the prompts to enter the Personal Center. Follow the pop-up window to upgrade and install the Personal Center. After the installation is complete, click Register to start registration. According to the order of the registration interface, enter name, nationality, address, phone number, verification code in turn. Set the login password. The registration is complete. After the registration, we click to enter update on the main interface. After entering, follow the prompts to bind the device. Click link to start upgrading after the binding is successful. Finally, wait patiently for the upgrade to complete. After the upgrade, we start the diagnostics. Take out the VCI behind the device and connect it with GT105. Click EOBD. Click Autoscan. The device failed to read. Since the Volkswagen ECUE read is not an ordinary OBD2 protocol, EOBD cannot read it. At this time, use the special diagnostic software of the tablet to read. Click ESC, swipe right to find Volkswagen. Click System Selection. Click Diagnosis. Click Control Unit. Click O1 Engine Control Module 1. Enter the interface and we see the function menu. Click Trouble Codes. View Trouble Codes. Click Erase Codes below to clear the trouble codes. Return to the function menu and click Live Data to view real-time data. Next, we start to identify the sensor. Choose the car model you want. Put the sensor on the top right of the device. Click Check. Start identifying. A sensor with an ID recognized indicates that the sensor has been programmed. Take another blank sensor. Click Check to identify that there is no ID. The above is the whole content of the video. Thank you for watching.